The rebels that continue to fight one of Africa's longest wars. These men belong to the Ogaden National Liberation Front, Onlf. They fight for the independence of their region from the rest of Ethiopia. Their war in the Ogaden Desert remains a largely forgotten one. Inhabited exclusively by ethnic Somalis, Ogaden has been the epicenter of a separatist war for the last 14 years. At one time, these rebels were allies of Ethiopia's current ruling class, but that is no more.
We had the same stance as we fought military dictator Mengistu Haile Mariam. But after they took power, they betrayed us, leaving all their promises unfulfilled. The whole world can now see what they are doing to us, killing us and starving us to death.
It's not all work for the militia. When they are not in combat, they gather and entertain themselves. They sing about their struggles and use poetry to encourage themselves. Their dreadlocks are a symbol of their struggles. It is hard to know their exact numbers. Youth from the region, angry at the treatment meted out to them, bolster their ranks by the day. Their commitment is unshakable.
I joined the militia in 2002. I'm ready to lose my life for the sake of my country, my people, and my religion.
But he did not live for long. A few days after this interview, we were informed that he was killed during a clash with Ethiopian troops. The Ethiopian government identifies Onlf as a terrorist group, a charge the rebels deny. They also refute allegations that they get help from Eritrea, Ethiopia's arch-enemy. Every piece of clothing and almost all their arms, they say, are from dead soldiers. The Onlf rebels say they will never rest till they achieve their goals. The Ethiopian troops too are equally determined, and that is why their duels in the desert are far from over. Mohamed Ado, Al Jazeera.